You me I say? Them say Cartel fans no loyal to him. I lie them I tell. The man will make that video up on YouTube and I talk about Muffalo and Bounty and I talk about if Cartel is there road. Them gonna run back him. I lie I tell pussy. Cartel are the boss. Yeah.
You see you want fab so wash out your brain, wash out your brain. Don't mind dirty till it's stain. Me no wonder if you did a wash up it in the train. Me no wonder.
They want to tell we say we not loyal to the boss. How you say? Cartel. Yeah, and we say straight. Gaza. We don't care what nobody wants to say. You hear that? Some man can go and chat off them mouth. But Cartel fans them now loyal to him. We loyal to Cartel. So Cartel there from day one. He go through all kind of something. I want to some man. Some I know where I make some video and I try to big up some artists. Now I try to hold on the man. Stop to not try to do. But you can't stop the man, I that tell you now. Straight. The man lock way. I want to still that pressure the man. I want to somehow on rich people. I want to somehow on pussy hole. If you go and load the man, I somehow on civilian out here. We are trying to have no rascal mouth. Me hear enough of you say Cartel to lock and stay in a prison. Me not go say that because prisoner makes for dog. That's what me I say. So hear me I say. Some of the man will come on YouTube and make something. Bumbuck that man. And nobody go on like you want style vibes Cartel, brother. Because Cartel is the road, in fans them they are seeing with him. If a man lock away and people must say Gaza so. I was some man a shot about man. Some man to go you know. Some man have too much cutlass you know. Me a Gaza me say. Till my blood clot there. Gaza. The fuck is around now.
I wonder if you watch your head in the time I say them are your friend. And them a try cut off throat. Look if you not see them